Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and I've got a brilliant opportunity for you today. What I've got next to me is a 2019 MY20 Eclipse Cross LS Super All-Wheel Control. Now, if you've looked up the prices of these cars brand new, you know just how good the savings are on this vehicle, so please don't hesitate, give us a call and ask us about the vehicle. What I'm going to do today is walk you around the vehicle and show you some of the features and what you actually get in an Eclipse Cross. Starting off at the front, it is the beautiful dynamic shield look in that front end with the chrome front grille and that Mitsubishi badging standing right out in the middle of that black surround. The grey paintwork does contrast very nicely with that black front end. The Eclipse Cross also has the really sharp headlights with your daytime running lamps running through there as well. It is a beautiful design and everything about this car is so unique that I'm sure you're going to absolutely love to drive and love sitting in this vehicle. Down here you've got the fog lights and the indicators, and the whole front end nice and sharp, and even if we pan around to the side you will notice the curves and edges on the Eclipse Cross is an absolutely incredible design. Now the wheels, when we have a look at them, we've got the black and chrome look to them, and even the tires obviously going to be brand new when you get the car as well. Along the side of the vehicle you can see you've got the really nice curves and, as I said, the edges, which do make the car a lot more aerodynamic. You've also got the color matched side mirrors and door handles and the indicator built into that side mirror there. Now, being the LS model, you do get keyless entry and ignition, meaning when you press that button on the door, your mirrors are going to fold in, and pressing the button again will unfold the mirrors and unlock the car. On the inside, you've got a really nice design to these seats as well, with that cross stitch kind of look to it. Looking at the whole interior, it is a very, very nicely designed vehicle. Once we get on the inside, I'll walk you through some of the actual features of the car itself. Now, making our way along to the back end now, those curves, as you can see, do continue right through to the tailgate, and tailgate does have a beautiful design to it as well. You've got the high mounted spoiler here with the wiper actually built in under that spoiler along with the washer, just to keep it nice and aerodynamic once again. On the back you've got that split tailgate with the stoplight in the middle there, and the split glass does actually improve your visibility on the back end. Now down here you've got the color coded parking sensors, and you've also got the reverse camera just in there. Quickly open up that tailgate and have a look in the back. You've got plenty of room in the back of an Eclipse Cross. You've even got a cargo blind just in here to keep everything in the back nice and private. Under the floor you get a space saver spare and your jack and tools. If you are not using the cargo blind, you can just store it on the side here. Close that back up and we'll keep making our way along the side. Now the fuel filler cap is on the passenger side once again, and just to show you how easy it is to actually make room in an Eclipse Cross, the back seats, they are on rails, meaning you can slide them backwards and forwards, and if you are not using them, if you need the extra space, you can just fold it down and create all that extra space. So very, very easy car to use. Now once again, this side is going to look exactly the same as the other side, but seeing the whole car does give you an idea of just how incredible the Eclipse Cross does actually look. What we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. You can look under the bonnet. Now what we get is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine, which is going to give you a really nice drive. Now in the engine bay you've got that 3-point strut brace as well, which is going to keep the car nice and stable when you are driving. The Ancap safety rating of this car is 5 stars. You've got 7 airbags just to keep you nice and safe on the inside. Power output from the engine is 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 250 newton meters. Now the petrol fuel tank holds 60 liters of 91 fuel. It will also give you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.7 liters per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 779 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look on the inside of the Eclipse Cross now, on the driver's side door, just on the handle here, you do get all your power mirror control, so it is nice and easy to use with your thumb when you're driving. You've also got a button there that lets you fold your mirrors in. On the door itself, you've got all your power window controls, so all automatic. Above that is your central locking buttons and your window lock. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, if you want more information on the safety systems, please do ask us about them, because the way these work is absolutely incredible. But you've got your forward collision mitigation button, you've also got lane departure warning and your traction stability control. If You've got a few blank buttons as well, and down below that is your parking sensors and your adjustable headlights. Now on the right hand stalk here, you've got your indicators, fog lights, automatic headlights and automatic high beam controls. And on the left hand side here, you've got your washer and wiper controls. Once again, they are rain sensing, including the rear wiper. Behind the steering wheel, you've got two paddle shifters if you did want to switch through your gears manually. On the right hand side, you've got cruise control and your speed limiter settings. And on the left hand side, all your media and hands-free controls. Moving on into the center display now. You do get a really nice pop-up display here. By pop-up, I mean it's separate to the dash. It doesn't actually retract into the dash, but it is all touchscreen. There's various settings and functions, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got a touchpad down below, which I'll show you later. Now, putting it into reverse, you do get your nice rear bumper in that reverse camera, which makes it really easy when you are backing up. And with the assistance of the parking sensors, it is a very easy car to park. Down below, you've got your single zone climate control. So the setting temperature with the left one and pressing auto will just regulate the temperature around the car. Down below that, two USB ports, eco mode, a 12-volt socket, and just a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone there. Now, when you shift the car into drive, you can either drive it like a normal auto or bump it across and drive it in manual mode, sports mode if you want. Next to that is a super all-wheel control setting, so you can switch between auto, snow or gravel. Behind that again, the touchpad I spoke about before, very nice design, styled from Lexus. It does give you really easy access to the functions of your head unit. Behind that again, electric park brake with your auto hold button as well. Two cup holders with the adjustable grommets to hold various sized cups. And that leather wrap center console does have a little storage space here, maybe for your studies or some coins, and heaps of storage just under that as well. Panning up to the roof, you've got your interior lighting functions there as well. So very feature packed Eclipse Cross LS. What we're going to do now is jump outside and wrap up the video. Taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Eclipse Cross LS. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Now, the benefit of buying from a brilliant Mitsubishi dealership like ourselves is that you have access to a wide range of accessories, which we are going to help you out with. We've also got the options to take advantage of some service plans, and something I would highly recommend is the glass coat. Being a new vehicle, it is going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. It will also give you protection against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization and much more. It is an awesome way to protect your investment, and the other thing is the Platinum One protection plan. If it is a long-term investment, that's going to add another 5 years to your new car warranty, give you a whole lot of additional protection and up to 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance as well. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us. But before I go, you need to check out our Google reviews as well, because we are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So just shows that you are dealing with the right people, buying a good quality vehicle. We're going to look after you, and we're going to make the process easy for you as well. So if you have any questions, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.